Here I've got REALME 6 and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store and then go to More icon, select My Apps and Games, and here under Updates you'll find all applications that can be updated. So you can either update one particular application, for example Google Chrome, just click here to do it. And just within a couple of seconds it will be done. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. You can search the browser, play some game, watch some movie, call your friend, and then if you'll go back here, you will see the progress. So let me give it a couple of seconds. And as you can see, it has been updated and now you'll find it under recently updated. Then if you would like to update all applications at once, just click on update all and then it will be done automatically. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.